In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop video in DaVinci Resolve. Cropping a video is a quick and useful way to clean up your frame, remove unwanted edges, or adjust the composition so your shot looks more polished. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, this is very simple to do once you know where to find the controls. To get started, first click your video clip. Make sure you select the clip you actually want to edit in your timeline, because the crop settings will apply to whatever clip is currently selected. If nothing is selected, the controls may not affect the clip you want, so it's always a good idea to check that first. Once your clip is selected, go to the top right area of the screen and click the Inspector tab. The Inspector is where you'll find many of the settings used to adjust a clip, including transform controls, zoom, position, and of course cropping. If the Inspector is not already open, clicking it will bring up the panel so you can start making changes. After that, click Cropping to open the crop options. This section contains the controls you need to trim the visible edges of your video. When you open it, you'll see several crop settings that let you control each side of the frame separately. You'll see different crop options here, including crop left, crop right, crop top, and crop bottom. These let you decide exactly which part of the image you want to hide from each edge. This is useful if you want to tighten the framing, remove distractions near the borders, or create a more intentional look in your shot. To make the crop, simply click and drag the sliders to adjust it. As you move each slider, you'll see the result update in the viewer, which makes it easy to fine-tune the image visually. You can adjust one side at a time or combine multiple crop settings until the frame looks the way you want. And that's it. That's how you crop video in DaVinci Resolve. It's a simple tool, but it can make a big difference in how clean and professional your footage looks. If needed, take a moment to preview the clip after cropping so you can make sure the framing still looks balanced and nothing important has been cut off. Once you're happy with it, you're all set.